If you wanna start working from home, hindi mo pa alam kung ano yung niche, kung ano yung i-offer mo na service, pero marunong kang gumamit ng computer, meron kang basic knowledge sa Microsoft Office or Google Workspace, nakapagtrabaho ka na sa BPO, sa corporate, or nag-build ka ng sarili mong maliit na negosyo. Ngayon nakikita mo ang daming tao ngayon na nagsisimula na mag-work from home, kumikita sila nasa bahay lang gamit computer, internet, then this video is for you. There are different ways to start your freelancing or work from home or virtual assistance journey. Marami kayong makikita dito mentors, coaches, iba-iba yung tinuturo nila. But after watching so many videos, hindi mo pa rin makuha ano nga ba yung nakalaan para sa'yo. Then you probably need some guidance from mentors na kagaya namin. Kasi we offer mentorship program para sa lahat ng gustong matutong mag-work from home pero hindi alam kung saan magsisimula or nakapagsimula na and now overwhelmed na lang talaga sa information. Now, we offer different classes. Meron kaming SEO, copywriting, PPC media buying, legal virtual assistant, social media management and marketing, Amazon virtual assistants, financial or bookkeeping virtual assistants, we have graphics design, we have real estate virtual assistants, technical writing, video editing, general virtual assistants or yung tinatawag nilang executive assistants, at napakarami pa guys na services na pwede ninyong i-offer. So, paano ka nga ba magsisimula? Step number 1, para sa akin, mas importante more than anything, paghahanap ng niche, paghahanap ng clients, would be skill inventory. Alamin mo muna kung ano yung mga services na pwede mong i-offer. Kapag alam mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo, i-check mo rin yung previous experience mo ba, meron ka mga transferable skills. Ibig sabihin, yung mga ginawa mo doon, meron ka bang pwedeng i-offer na this time, online mo na lang gagawin para sa mga clients mo at hindi na para sa mga corporate work. Now, with all of the things that you need to learn para makapagsimula ka mag-work from home, it's kind of hard for a lot of people. Kasi with lack of guidance, kung saan-saan ka na makakarating sa part ng YouTube na, ito gusto ko to, tapos biglang magdi-discuss si ganito na, ito pala maganda. Alam mo yun, this is exactly why we created the Top VIP All Access Pass. So, yung lahat ng na-mention ko kanina na classes, magkakaroon kayo ng access doon for 1 whole year. What most of our mentees do is attend sila ng isang class, sisimulan muna nila halimbawa sa GVA para lang may idea sila kung anong ginagawa ng General Virtual Assistant. At pagkatapos attend sila halimbawa ng SMM, and then pag marunong na sila ng SMM, magta-try sila ng copywriting, graphics design because all related siya sa SMM. After nun, syempre, kailangan mo matuto mag-content creation, so mag-video editing ka. And then, let's just say, for example, nag-take ka ng media buying, pagkatapos nag-aral ka ng SEO, and then nakahanap ka ng client. Ngayon, with your new client, meron mga questions na hindi mo alam yung sagot, and so you attend again yung SEO at yung PPC. This is the kind of guidance that we want to provide our mentees. Na this time, hindi ka na lang mag-isang mag-figure out kung ano nga ba yung gusto mo or kung ano yung magandang strategy. Pinakang importante, I handpicked all of our mentors because I know that these people over clout, over kung ano pa man fame, they are here because they want to make an impact. They want to help you. So if you guys want to join the Top VIP All Access Pass, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos, it will open the GigHub. Guys, just a heads up, i-check nyo tong GigHub na to because nandyan na lahat na kailangan nyo malaman para makapagsimula mag-freelancing. But if you want to join the Top VIP All Access Pass, i-click nyo lang ito, it will open the form. Kung nasa Instagram kayo ito yung i-click mo, in case na hindi gumana yung TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta ka na lang sa Facebook page ko. Pagkatapos hanapin mo tong video na to at makikita mo sa mismong caption yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa mismong description box. To answer yung question dito ni Cosmic, yung Top VIP as in all access po ba sa VA niche training? Ang dami talagang niche na pwede mong pag-aralan as a virtual assistant. The problem is, bakit ka magpo-focus sa niche when niche means specialization? So the best example that I can provide to give more context dito sa question niya is, meron nag-enroll, nagbayad ng 20,000 para matuto ng media buying, only to realize that media buying is not for him. What I would recommend is, instead of basing it sa nakikita ninyo sa social media kung ano yung uso, kung ano yung malaki daw yung bayad, hanapin nyo muna kung ano yung kaya nyong i-offer, do skill inventory, at pagkatapos, hanapin nyo rin kung ano yung bagay sa personality type ninyo. And hopefully, you will trust our team para i-guide kayo. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!